Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the frustrating "this Apple ID has not yet been used" in the iTunes Store error. This issue usually pops up when you try to download an app, make a purchase, or use your Apple ID for the first time on a new device. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps to resolve it. So let's get started. Open the Settings app and tap your Apple ID banner at the top. And select Media and Purchases. From there, tap View Account and wait for it to load. Once it loads, tap on Country or Region. And then select Change Country or Region. Choose your country. In my case, it's United States. Review the terms and conditions, then tap Agree. Now you'll need to provide a billing address. If you don't have one for the selected country, you can use a fake address. Just make sure to enter a valid city name and zip code. You can search for these online, or you can just copy me. Add a phone number, it can be a fake one too. After entering the details, tap Next. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix "this Apple ID has not yet been used" in the iTunes Store error and use your Apple ID to download apps without any issues. As you can see that I am able to download apps on my iPhone without any issues. Your Apple ID is now fully functional and you can enjoy downloading apps, music, movies, and more without interruptions. And that's all about it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.